Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with ClickFunnels in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Adding your ClickFunnels site to ConvertBox. Make sure that the site created inside your ConvertBox dashboard matches the domain of your ClickFunnels site. If you're using a ClickFunnels domain, then your site will be yoursite.clickfunnels.com. If you are using your own domain, then your site will be mydomain.com. See this tutorial on how to add a site to your ConvertBox account. In your account dashboard, under the header on the left, select the Site drop-down menu and then select Manage My Sites. On the My Sites tab, select the plus Add Site button. This will open a modal. Add your site domain name and select Add Site. Now when you return to your dashboard, your newly added site will be available for selection in the Sites drop-down menu. Step 2. Add ConvertBox's embed code to ClickFunnels. Log in to your ClickFunnels account. Select Funnels from the top menu, then select the funnel name. Select the page you wish to add your ConvertBox to, then click Edit Page to load the editor. Go to Settings, Tracking Code. Select the second tab / footer code, and paste your ConvertBox embed code into the box. To locate your ConvertBox embed code, see this tutorial. How to find the embed code for your site. To get the embed code for your site /s, click the profile image in the top right-hand corner, and select Embed Code from the drop-down menu. You will be given 3 options to add the embed code. Select option 2 and copy the embed code. When you are done, exit the window and press Save in the top right-hand corner. Note: if you are editing the page in the classic editor, go to Settings, Tracking Codes, then paste the ConvertBox embed code into the bottom footer box. Select Save from the right-hand menu, then click on Exit.